What
Yeah.
were there kind of, not to summarize, a decade in one response to a question, but were there key inflection points along the way that where as you were working from doing carpet cleaning as a solo guy to to what you eventually built in Pure Dry and Pure Clean?
I figured out pretty quickly that I needed to work myself out of each position. As you know, when you start a company, you're playing every position in the company. So when I started the carpet cleaning company and I'd systemized my sales process and I documented it, um, you know, it was fairly easy to bring somebody into the fold and say, here's the system. I think where most companies go wrong is they don't systemize a process or job to the point where they can recruit and scale. And so much becomes on their shoulders, the founder. Um, and they get really stressed because they can't keep up with it. So I very quickly um, brought on an assistant, trained him, bought another truck, got him out on his own. Brought on another assistant. He worked with me, trained him, got another truck, got him on his own. And I kept doing that um, while doing every other position. And, just hired administrative staff, CSRs, marketing people. But I was an expert at every single thing. And I think that, a powerful lesson to a lot of business people is that I think you need to develop mastery in everything that the company does to a degree at the beginning. You can't believe or lead yourself to believe that you can just run out and hire people right out of the gate unless you understand how to manage that and hold accountability to it, measure what success looks like. So I think that first, I call Pure Clean my training wheels company because that's where I really developed mastery in business. And then I took that experience and that's where Pure Dry, was born. Is all the success and all the trials and tribulations I had with Pure Clean, took that into Pure Dry, and that's what allowed us to scale faster than any other restoration company in Washington.
Wow. And have you just the way you speak about creating systems and training people as if it's like second nature, but those are very difficult things to do that don't just come naturally to most people. Have you always been kind of someone to document things and create those systems? Did you observe from your dad, or did you read books? Like how did that come to be?
I think I learned from my dad that you teach somebody hands-on. First I'm going to tell you how to do it, then I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I want you to tell me how to do it, and then I want you to show me how to do it. And so that learning cadence of teaching somebody the expectation and standard of doing something, I think was probably, I remember cleaning carpet with my dad, 2 a.m, Red Robin. You probably know that franchise. And we're cleaning the carpet, and I would clean half of the restaurant. And he had such a high level of perfectionism that he would re-clean the entire side that I did because it had to be perfect. So I learned I'm a perfectionist in that I'm always tweaking. And I think that as a business owner, you need to always be tweaking and questioning, is this the best way to do it?